Hey, I'm Aaron Marcus, and I can tell you probably the hardest thing for me in getting started in the acting and modeling industry was honestly not having a clue as to what I was doing. Um, I thought I had some acting skills, I thought I had some modeling skills, but I was clueless as to what I really needed to do in order to have success. And it's frustrating. I get it. For me, I was doing a lot of things by trial and error, had an agent, but I just simply didn't have a plan. So that's one of the reasons why I love sharing information with other people. And I'm going to be in Charlotte on November the 16th doing a full day workshop from 10 to 3. And there are so many things I'm going to be teaching you in this workshop. Everything from how to how to use your nervousness to your advantage, figuring out what is your type so you know what kind of jobs you should be getting submitted for, how to create not good, not great, but effective headshots. Once again, that's probably the most important part of the acting industry aside from your skills. In some ways, it's even more important because if your headshot isn't great, you're not going to get a chance to come in and audition. How to put together powerful, eye-catching commercial photos. I'm going to show you ways to prepare before auditioning. I'm going to show you audition techniques to use for film, TV, commercials, techniques to use when working with a photographer. If you don't have an agent, I'm going to be having Marc Soper, co-owner of Carolina Talent. Great agent. He's one of my agents. Really like this guy. If you already are represented by Marc, still, you're going to want to come in and listen to him, ask him questions, see him outside the office. It's going to be an incredible experience. He will also accept headshots and resumes or any photos that you have after he finishes talking and answering questions. We're going to talk about how to market yourself, get work on your own, basically anything that you want to learn about. We'll even have a practice audition, a practice go-see. I'll record it, play it back, critique. It's going to be phenomenal. And if you are really interested in taking your career to the next level, starting to learn how to get more auditions, learn how to get more bookings, you've got a couple choices. You can spin your wheels like I did because I didn't have anybody that I could turn to and ask questions to, or come to the workshop and I'm going to teach you what I do on a daily basis that has allowed me to work as a full-time actor for over 33 years and book over 1,200 jobs. I do have limited seating. You can see the link below. Just register as soon as you can. If you are wanting to come with a minor, then just one of you will be paying. Like if your child is the one who is really acting and modeling, certainly I want you there as the adult, but you would only pay one fee for that. But like I said, use the link below, register, make sure you save a seat. I'm only in Charlotte twice a year, and this will certainly be the last time for 2019. So get your career moving forward, have a real game plan of knowing exactly what you need to do in order to have success. And I can't wait to see you on November the 16th. See ya.